Assalamu alaikum, Hussein Baba here. Today is Monday, Easter Monday, and we have these lovely ladies from Seharum Nusantara. Before I start my comment, look, we had a first batch, more than 200, more than 100 meals, which Amber has taken to Southport to be distributed. All right, so this is the second batch, and by the way, we're expecting third batch. Now here we have the second batch, which is, and then brought it over. What do we have here? MashaAllah, look at that. Look at that. Look at the meals. Look. Very delicious. And by the way, today I'm fasting, Shawwal fasting. Oh, so look at that. Look at that meals. Look at the quality of these meals. You'll see the photo. Look at the quality of these meals. And this, I love to have one of these sandwich, chicken sandwich. Yes, I'm fasting, so we can't. She likes one too. All right. So thank you. Beautiful. Very professional. Is she a professional? Fauzia. Sister Fauzia, thank you so much. Maybe next time we'll have some from you next time. This time we give it to the homeless. All right. So thank you again, Sandra. Thank you so much. And Endang, of course.
Well, we couldn't do it without the team.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, what team?
Seharum Nusantara team. Of course.
Right. Now, you don't forget, she also come on Friday. So she also belongs to the Gold Coast Masjid team.
Yeah.
Right. On Fridays. Right. On Friday, if you want to meet her, come on a Friday to the Masjid, Arundel Masjid Canteen. You'll see Sandra. So she got two teams. She worked one with Arundel and she worked with Seharum Nusantara. So again, thank you so much for your group. Right. Thank you so much for your group. Now we are waiting for the third batch that's coming from a restaurant
in Paradise Point. His name is Zachary, the chef, who's bringing the food.
Okay, good. And they're also bringing over 100 meals. So today, combined together, we have over 300 meals. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Thank you so much. May Almighty bless you all for the work that you do. And especially now, we see numbers are increasing. You know, the situation is hard, has become hard. Yeah. There are more people who need meals. So if there's anybody out there who would like to do exactly what they do, or closer to what they do, please do contact me and bring meals, and we'll distribute through various organizations on the Gold Coast. So thank you so much once again. And guess what? I mentioned to you about the third batch. Finally, they arrived. Here we have Zachariya and Elizabeth. And what was the name of your catering?
Boutique Catering and Dining is the name of the restaurant down in Paradise Point that I work
at. Okay, it's in Paradise Point, Boutique Catering. All right. And look what they brought. Look. They brought 5 different meals. What do you call this?
That one's the honey chicken mustard.
Honey chicken mustard. Okay, honey chicken mustard. Okay. We are familiar with this. We got pasta here. Look at that pasta. Beautiful. Smells good. Okay, here we go. And few more here. Come closer, cameraman. Have a look. Oh, cameraman is fasting today. Yeah, so it's a hard job today. You got a hard job, right? Yeah, I'll come closer to you then. Okay, here we go. And then, wait. And finally, look. And by now, you know how many meals we got here? Over 300 meals. Beautiful. I think the first time we had more than 300 meals on a Monday.
On a Monday.
One day, yes, that's right. Yeah. So thank you so much, all of you. Thank you, Elizabet, Zachariya, Endang, and Sandra, and also the other group who supported. So we had 3 different groups supported these meals today. And anybody out there who would like to provide meals like what they have done, please do contact me. And we're open from Monday to Thursdays, and we'll distribute the meals in Labrador, Southport, and Surfers Paradise. So, you know, Alhamdulillah, today we had more than 300 meals. Being Easter Friday, they have more time to cook, so we have 300 meals. So please, we really need more meals Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So please do support. All right? Thank you so much. See you later. Thank you.